Well, I don't know why I like them. I like them and they like me because I get on with them. I look forward to them coming here. I feel good when I'm with them children because they seem to like me. And that helped me. I think, I say to myself, well, you're an old man, Reg. But I don't feel like an old man when I'm with them. In the village where I live, everybody were gardeners. It's a relaxation thing, really. And if I'm sitting there and I'm bored, I'll say, I'm going down the garden. And I'll find something to do down there. If you're active all your life, you're a happy person. When you get 8 or 9 kids, they're not all interested. 3 or 4 will probably playing on the lawn, you see. But them who were interested, they kept there. I like doing things. I like helping people, if I can. When I was working on the garden, they was asking me gardening questions. Why do I do this? Why do I do that? Because I like gardening. I think it's a good hobby. It's a relaxation. I love to see a lovely flower garden, but I'm a vegetable gardener. And it's lovely to watch things growing, vegetables growing, to think that when they're ready, you can eat them. Well, I get on well with them. I don't know why it is. I'm sure. I'm sure I don't know. I often think about that. Why do I get on with children? Well, it's because I enjoy being with them. I think it must be. Because they'll jump on me and do all sorts of things. They don't bother. Oh, that's Red. She shouldn't jump all over me, don't mind. Which I don't.